Jameson saw blades are designed for demanding professionals. Proper care and maintenance will extend the life of your saws and make tree trimming easier and safer. Jameson saws cut on the pull stroke. Pull stroke saws have a thinner kerf for more efficient cuts. Avoid pushing hard into the cut, as this could bend the blade. Replace the blade if it is permanently bent. Don't try to straighten a bent blade, as this can weaken the steel. Inspect the saw blade daily. Be sure it is clean and straight with no excessive corrosion. Because the tooth tips are hardened, saw blades should not be sharpened. If the blade is not cutting as cleanly or as fast as it should, replace the blade. Discard old blades safely according to your company procedures. Clean the blade after each use by brushing away the sawdust with a clean rag, a soft brush, or with compressed air. Apply spray lubricant and wipe with a rag. For cleaning dried-on sap or tar, use a solvent such as isopropyl alcohol. Finish by wiping with a lubricated rag. Always wear gloves when handling saw blades. Store clean saws in a scabbard. The scabbard not only protects the blade, it also protects other tools from being scratched and protects you from accidental contact. Jameson's most common saw models are interchangeable between pole saw heads and handsaw handles. To replace a blade on a pole saw head, simply remove the thumb screw and install a new blade. Inspect the locator pin. If it is loose, replace the saw head. To replace a handsaw blade, hold the blade securely and remove the two handle bolts. Install the new blade and replace the bolts. You can apply thread locker to the bolts for extra hold. Proper care and maintenance will extend the life of your saws and keep you working to the highest standard. Always wear your PPE and always follow your company procedures. Visit us at jamesonllc.com to learn more about all our tree trimming tools.